Every day in warehouses and DCs across the country, orders are filled. They are filled by workers picking individual cases, boxes, and cartons and putting them on pallets. This order filling process is backbreaking work. Predominantly, they use electric walkies and pallets, and there's a problem. The problem being that the bottom half of the load has to be loaded onto that pallet which is on the floor. Forklifts can be used for order picking, but they are very expensive, and getting on and off the forklift, hooking up the seat belt and releasing it makes this a poor choice for an order picker. So manually filling orders is tough, backbreaking work. There's issues of productivity, product damage, and waste. There's a very high turnover in warehouses and DCs, a high risk of injury, and of course, the fatigue of doing this job hour after hour. So this is the problem. Backbreaking work going on for 8 and 10-hour shifts to fill orders and to build those orders on pallets. Southworth is proud to introduce a solution to make work faster, safer, and easier. The Pallet Pal Walkie is based off the original Pallet Pal load leveler concept, which has been in use in industry for over 25 years. The Pallet Pal Walkie is a unique self-contained device that uses a calibrated spring to level the load. So when an order picker has to fill an order, he gets an empty pallet, places it on the walkie, and starts filling the order. As he builds the load, the walkie responds to the load by lowering. And this is a calibrated spring, so the movement is linear. As he adds layers to the pallet will lower. At some point, as he builds the order, the walkie will be completely lowered and fully compressed on itself. You'll note that as the cartons are brought on, he is standing erect, he is not bending over, and working at a convenient height, which greatly reduces fatigue. So as the order is built, the calibrated spring responds to the load and lowers, allowing the worker convenient access to the top layer. So even when high loads are built, they remain stable because the walkie is fully lowered on itself. Once that load is built, it is taken to a marshaling area where the orders are checked or wrapped, and then they are placed onto a road trailer. It's important to recognize that the Pallet Pal Walkie has to be offloaded by a forklift or a stacker. Once the load is removed, the walkie is ready for use to fill the next order. So the Pallet Pal Walkie increases productivity, it reduces damage and waste, it greatly reduces the fatigue, it lowers the risk of injury, it lowers your workman comp cost, and it of course lowers turnover in the warehouse. From the special non-skid platform to retain the pallet, to the heavy tubular legs and a reinforced base frame, this is an industrial piece of equipment that is designed for the rugged warehouse environment. The electric walkie can enter from either end of the base frame, and the generous taper allows it to get in quickly and pull out easily. The new Pallet Pal Walkie joins the family of Pallet Pal products. This universal tool fits on all standard electric walkies and walkie riders and helps solve the backbreaking work of order picking in warehouses and DCs.